Once upon a time, there was a tiny elephant. He got lost, and he walked and walked. That's good. Go. Until he found this town, and he walked through it, and a guy found him, the elephant, and he put him in his truck and brought him to this lake to get him some water. The guy put him in his truck. The guy put him in his truck, and he went to this place that had lots of plants and trees so that the elephant could eat and run around. It was getting dark, and the guy went to his house, and his house was decorated for Christmas. Then they went to bed. The end.